Hi, this is Tamberlyn and Rocky, and one of my pet peeves is when you walk into somebody's house and they have a dog. Their dog immediately goes right to the door and pushes you out of the way to also greet the people at the door, or the dog is aggressive and is uncontrollable at the front door. So one of the things that I taught Rocky was the command of place. So when the doorbell rings, he goes to his place, and from there he can get a reward, and he cannot leave his place until he is released. And so that way he's not crowding the front door when people come in, which is a nice thing. Okay, Rocky, place. Place. Good boy, stay. Stay. Okay. Good boy. Good boy.